Hi, my name is Jennifer Lopez, and I want to just show you some quick tips on how to connect your Bluetooth on the Mazda CX-30. To start off, you're going to grab your phone and go to settings. When you click on settings, you're going to go to your Bluetooth and make sure that it's on. Once you do that, you're going to go over to your screen and you're going to click on communications. When you click onto communications, you're going to connect your device. So click on connect, and then you're going to continue to ensure that your Bluetooth is enabled. Once you go there, you're going to pair your device. My device name is JLo, so I'm going to scroll down to JLo and click on it. I'm going to wait a few seconds and it's going to ask me to pair. And now my device is connecting. This is very useful in case you ever forget your USB cord to connect to your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll still be able to listen to your navigation via audio, listen to your music, and make hands-free phone calls. To find out more about the all-new CX-30, come visit me and my team at Mazda of New Rochelle.